Brief introduction refers hours the last 7 of the 6 question. How are you, girls? My name is Álvaro Javier Quintero Acosta. How long are you? I am 29 years old. What do you like to do use the free time? In my spare time, I like to read, and practice music in the marching band. Where do you like? We live in the city of Santa Marta in Alcázares neighborhood. Where did you do live vacation? In the travel into Spain, in the wave sprinter of the last vacation. What you do? What you do live with? In Currently, I live with a mom, my grandmother, my sisters, my brothers, and the dad if I'm broke.